Hello and welcome to our cybersecurity awareness series. Today, we're discussing a significant data breach at a major computer company, which we'll call Medicomp. Last week, a hacker stole 49 million customer records from Medicomp. No network intrusion, no advanced hacking. It was all done using a single API vulnerability. Just one bug. Attack flow. The attacker discovered a website intended for Medicomp's partner or resellers used to search order details. The attacker registered an account with fake company details. There was no verification and the application was accepted within 48 hours. The attacker found a specific API endpoint that took a 7-digit service tag as input and returned customer details, name, address, phone, etc. as output. The attacker created an automated script that generated 7-digit numbers and hit this API endpoint. The script generated about 5,000 requests per minute, harvesting 49 million customer records in a few days. Key takeaways: simple tactics, high impact. This breach shows how simple tactics can be highly effective. With minimal investment, the attacker breached 49 million records. Security teams must focus on all fronts, not just advanced threats. Human judgment versus automated scanners. The attacker exploited a design flaw that automated scanners wouldn't detect. This highlights the importance of threat modeling and human judgment in security programs. Detect versus protect. This breach could have been prevented with rate limiting. Rate limiting controls the number of requests to an API within a given time period, blocking excessive requests and preventing data theft. APIs are like open highways. Without traffic control, anyone can steal your data. Implement preventive rate limiting controls to protect your systems. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more real-world cybersecurity insights.